What's going on, guys? Today is the day we bring it back to life. I'll admit I did bleed all the air out of the system before putting the video on, but I have not I'm not cranking it up today, so I still got a lot of work to do. I just kind of got it temporary where to run right now. The cylinder I rebuilt is doing really good. It's not leaking, so that's a plus. So yeah, this was a pretty good job, guys, but I should get many years of service out of it. Let's fire it up and oh yeah. Well, it's alive and it runs really well. So like I said, I got a lot of other things to do. I made video along the way, some of the things. I know for a fact that this cylinder right here was pouring, and that cylinder right there was too, and I've already got the kits for those. Now I don't have the hydraulic pump hooked up yet. Ford sent a new yoke out, and believe it or not, guys, directly from Ford, it was defective. And when you order from Ford, you don't just send the item back and get another one, no matter how much it costs. They have to go through their inventory and write a letter to New Holland, and it's a long, drawn out thing. I'll be honest with you guys, I don't know if I'm gonna hang on to this Ford or not. There's nowhere to go get parts. You have to order them. You have to wait 3 to 4 days to get them. You know, you got to hope they're right. And unlike John Deere, you know, I can run downtown John Deere and pick up a part. They usually have it on the shelf. So that's a drawback to having this Ford in my book. I mean, that may be okay with you guys, but anyway, guys, I told you I was going to post a video of it running, and I have. And like I said, I may video some more along the way of finishing this thing up. So you guys have a good day.